Order has been passed on 8th of June 2025.
10 June.
Yes, Lordship, order matter has been dismissed. Petition of withdraw the matter. Lordship, my name is not appear on the of the state. I am appear on the claim in online, Your Lordship. But my senior was appeared on that day. Mr. Anand Parmani is there.
What is the mistake?
Mistake is that my name is not there.
Your senior's name is there, your name is not
Yes,
there. After so many months you are mentioning.
May I have your lordship's kind leave to mention a matter, my lord, for inclusion. My lord, the issue here is an order was passed directing respondent number 4 and 7 to pay me 4,90,000, 90 lakhs and odd. 4 crores 90 lakhs and odd.
Who had passed it?
My lord, Justice Moshmi Bhattacharya. Now, my lord, after that, what has happened is, my lord, 4 and 7 has come before this honorable court and filed an application for modification, stating that no, it is not with me, it is with the rest of the respondents. You direct the money to be transferred by them. My lord, this has been going on for quite some time, my lord.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent 4 and 7. Your Lordship, any day the matter may be fixed subject to Your Lordship's convenience in November or
in the
Your
list.
Lordship,
Matter is in the list.
No, my lord, it is
Your
not.
Lordship, it was appearing earlier. Your Lordship had taken the matter twice, but the matter couldn't be heard at that time. Any day in November, it
But
may
do
be
I have
fixed.
determination of those matters?
Yes, my lord.
The hearing matter.
Hearing at my lord, it is for recalling and reconsideration.
Recalling, I will not have determination. I have determination only of hearing matters.
Yes, my lord, the applications are at hearing stage, my lord. It was before your lordship.
Application at hearing stage won't do. The writ petition should be at the hearing stage, not the application.
My lord,
If the writ petition is at hearing stage and the application is in connection with such hearing matter, then I have determination.
my lord, I'll just hand over the order passed by your lordship on the last occasion, my lord.
Then I might have have had determination at that point of time. Let me see.
Just hand it over.
We'll have to see. If it is not a hearing matter, it will not appear.
My lord, I'm handing over the slip if it is, my lord.
দেখে নেবেন হিয়ারিং ম্যাটার থাকলে দেবেন নালে দেবেন
My lord, grateful, my
না করবো না থাকুন অনেকক্ষণ বুক দিয়েছেন
My lord, may I please your lordship, my lord? This is appearing at my instance. The lordship will recall, my lord, on the
Yes,
last
you wanted
occasion.
to withdraw.
Withdraw with the leave to file afresh. When my lord have
Had
fallen
the
from
letter.
your lordship, my lord, to bring a written instruction to them.
Yes.
They appear for the
It is for
respondent
your
number
safety
2.
only because it's a change brief you
Yes,
said.
my lord.
So I ensure that there is something on record.
My lord, the written instruction is there, my lord.
May I have
You are
your
appearing for
lordship
the
kindly to
respondents.
appear online?
Respondent
All the
number 2.
respondents are represented.
I have for respondent number 2, my lord.
But I am appearing online.
Very well. लिखे नहीं दादा Mr. Bose.
Mr. Bose. Mr. Basu Malik, my lord, he is the advocate on record. He is
Mr.
with me.
Bose, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, assisted by Mr. Priyankar Basu Malik, learned advocate on record for the petitioner, comma, hands up to court a letter dated September 16, 2025, written by the writ petitioner and written by the writ petitioner to Mr. Priyankar Basu Malik, comma, advocate, and submits that he has instructions to seek withdrawal of the writ petition with liberty to file afresh on the self-same cause of action with better particulars.
My lord.
Full stop. Paragraph. The respondents are represented. Full stop. Achha, letter is taken on record. Respondents are represented. Full stop. In view of the prayer made, comma, this writ petition being WPA 1780 of 2025 is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty to the petitioner to file afresh on the self-same cause of action in accordance with law.
My lord, I'm grateful, my lord. Now, my lord, if a fresh writ petition is filed, perhaps I
Immediately
understand
applies.
it won't come to this bench, my lord, because it will go to the usual determination, my lord. Great.
Thank you. Not today.
I am for the petitioner in this matter, my lord. What happened in this matter last occasion on Friday, my lord has disposed of
Your other
each
side is
matter.
not here, Mister. Your other side is not there.
My lord, the
Malad, last Friday, Mr. Maninder Chatterjee has appeared. I also bring him.
He
The
was not
minor
there.
has-
He is not there today. Chalun, pass over. Next. He is not there.
Malad, all right. Can it be fixed on Friday?
It will be again appearing in the list tomorrow.
Okay. All right.
I am for the state lordship.
Yes.
My lord, evidence service there.
No, you will have to serve afresh because it has been assigned to this bench. Have to effect fresh service. Affidavit of service might be containing the name of other honorable judge of this court, right? He's only, you are appearing for all the respondents.
No, I am for the state lordship. In this matter, I would.
Other respondents must be there.
So for Panchayat is concerned, that is required.
No, I think the private respondent is also there.
Yes.
Then they should be served. Serve a fresh notice because it is assigned to me for the
Lord.
first instance. I will not take without service. Listening. Day after tomorrow, you will be able to serve. In the meantime, all of them.
How it is possible? Day after tomorrow, সব সার্ভিস হয়ে যাবে আপনি তো বাই পোস্টে করবেন প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট
One private respondent, Shanti.
The
No,
others you have
private
to serve.
respondent.
The panchayat also you have to serve.
Panchayat
So that
possible,
day
but
after
private
tomorrow you will
respondent
be able to serve.
serve through registered post.
Liquid. This matter has been assigned to this bench by the Honorable the Chief Justice. Full stop. The petitioner and the state respondents are represented. However, there is no representation on behalf of the respondent number 7 and 8. You are there for 1 to 6.
Lordship, not for Panchayat, I am for the state.
1 to 6, you are not there.
No.
1 is state.
Only for state.
1 and 3 to 6, you are there. No, 1, 3, 5 and 6, you should be there.
Yes.
There is no representation on behalf of the respondent numbers 2, 4, 7 and 8. 2, 4, 7 and 8, you are not there. Please check up and tell me. You are there for state of West Bengal. You are there for district magistrate.
Yes.
You are there for BDO.
Yes.
And you will be there for the officer in charge.
Lordship.
So you are there for 1, 3
Not for 7 and 8.
and not for 2 also. 2 and 4 also. So 2, 4, 7 and 8 are not represented. Full stop. Paragraph. The petitioner shall therefore serve a notice upon the non-appearing respondents, intimating them that the matter shall be taken up next on next Friday.
Matter is extreme urgent, my lord, lordship, maybe.
What can be done?
Maybe honest.
I will not be sitting. I am in division bench. According to you, I will not see.
Today, you lordship sitting at the 3.
Today I am sitting, but next Wednesday I'll sit or not, I don't know.
And lordship, lordship can be again the lordship not sit, no problem.
Unnecessarily, it will not. I cannot direct it to appear on any day.
Last day it was my lord problem. The matter is very urgent.
Can't be helped.
Extremely urgent matter.
Can't be helped, sir. Can't be helped. Don't press unnecessarily.
Maybe appeared in the list.
How will it appear in the list? I don't know. I'll sit. I'll make it returnable on a particular day because you are pressing for it.
No, my lord.
Sir, I have to pass the order.
Yesterday, the matter of the appeal is not was not sitting. No problem. Today,
Sir, it is my list. It is my list. I will conduct it. Please don't advise me on that. It will appear on 26th.
Grateful.
Your Lordship, for item number 31, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. I am seeking adjournment and one humble prayer, Your Lordship, kindly keep this matter after vacation.
After vacation, you are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Order record kore learned advocate appearing for the petitioner seeks an adjournment. Full stop. He prays for listing of the matter after the ensuing puja vacations. Full stop. As prayed for, list this matter immediately after reopening of the court after the puja vacations.
I'm grateful, Your Honor.
Immediately.
Please, Your Lordship, I am appealing for the petitioner. I am led by Mr. Aniruddha Chatterjee. That respondent is also keeps it at the same position. It will be written as the same position.
Not today.
Your Lordship, I'm for the petition. On the last occasion, Your Lordship, I had prayed for filing a supplementary affidavit.
Your other side is not there. Let him
Yes,
come.
I'm filing it. I've served them also.
Let them come. I'm passing it over in the second call. I shall take it.
Should I file it?
In the second call. Look the affidavit of service filed today.
For the petitioner, respondents are not here, Lord. So I have served.
Passing it over in the
Lord,
second call because they may come.
Let it be not this week and next week I will do it. Since KMD
Next week it may not be possible because I will get maybe only one day and that will be the last day.
The Friday, if you also see, I will have some difficulty. That's why.
I can sit tomorrow also. Tomorrow also it's there.
I will not be there. Not tomorrow.
Adjournment record kore nahi. Acha thaka not today thako. Not this week kore rakh. Not this week kore.
Not this week. Good.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. Union of India.
For the state,
My lord, there's a party, my lord. Union of India also party, my lord, in this petition, my lord. Possibly I have to serve further, my lord.
You have not served.
I have served, my lord, Union of India already, my lord.
With respect of installation of water pump in a village of West Bengal, I fail to understand how Union of India will.
My lord, according to the petitioner, it is a project of the, my lord, government of India, my lord, also in this involved in this project, my lord. That is why the Union of India also made a party respondent here, my lord.
What is the grievance?
My lord, here, my lord, Har Ghar Jal is a project of government of India, my lord. And my lord, under this project, my lord, the authorities are required to, my lord, install the water pump, my lord, for drinking water, my lord, in each mauja, considering every mauja, so that every mauja of the village can get the benefit of the same, my lord.
Court fees have been paid in respect of all the petitioners.
No, my lord.
Then?
Petitioners, though this is a technical aspect that has fallen from your lordship, but the petitioners
Then I have to, my lord,
installation of water pumps.
Allow me to pay
the desire of the petitioners, but there are division bench.
Pay the deficit court fees. Yes, what are you saying?
Your lordship, I can submit the report. There is a division bench judgment where the division bench honorable division bench has given liberty to the state authorities that they can decide upon the suitability of the spot in respect of where these water pumps are to be located. The petitioners are aggrieved that it is not being done as per in a place as per their convenience.
No, no,
That is the main.
that is not the
That is
contention
the
of the
whole
petitioner.
petition, your
Well,
lord.
contention of the petitioner is that, my lord, in the Bindal Moja, my lord, there is a already they have installed a water pump, and my lord, in the Moja of the petitioner, there is no pump. So, my lord, let a one pump be installed under the said Moja, my lord. According to the petitioner, that the population and etc. entire factor has been given in the written in the petition, my lord, also.
Your lordship,
My lord,
reduces this report.
আমাকে জাজমেন্ট একটা কপি দিন বা রেফারেন্সটা বলুন একটু।
Lordship, I have just handed over the highlighted portion of the judgment passed by the Honorable Division Bench.
Obviously, my lord, considering the in the said Moja, my lord, under the said Moja they can do where they will install the same, my lord.
The
But
technical aspect, whether it is feasible or possible in the spot that is being.
but it's not for that, my lord. Under a similar Moja, they in a one Moja they install two.
You have a copy of the order? Same case was there also. Please read paragraph 3 of the division bench judgment. New site which has been chosen is in a different Moja. Exactly your case.
No, my lord, here this case is quite different, my lord. I'm placing me. My lord, in a Bindal Moja, already they have installed one.
Maybe they have installed instead of one, two have been installed there, and there is none in yours. Maybe they have different considerations for that. How can the writ court decide this?
Let them produce the report on which basis they have. Kindly hear me for a moment, my lord. In our Moja, there are several villagers. They will
Why
not
don't
give.
you consider and dispose of his representation?
They will not get the achievement of the central government project, my lord.
Where is your representation?
My lord, representation, my lord. আমি একটু নিয়ে রাখি একটু dated 9th January 2025.
Where is that?
Page, my lord, 40, start from 40, 43, my lord.
43.
My lord.
And who will consider this?
Well, let the same be placed before the, my lord, district magistrate of Uttar Dinajpur. Let he consider that the same was installed in accordance with law or not.
District magistrate Uttar Dinajpur. You are representing district magistrate Uttar Dinajpur.
Representing the state of this report.
Let it consider.
Let it be considered.
And file a report, my lord.
The report has been provided by the executive engineer. I don't think.
Very well. The DM will consider because the representation is addressed to him.
And the representation is also addressed.
So let him consider it. You are representing him.
Well, let them produce a report before your lordship. Otherwise, I have to come.
Why?
I have to come another one.
You come again. You may not have to come also. You may not have to come.
After giving an opportunity of hearing to the petition.
The report may be taken into consideration.
Yes.
I have.
So this.
The report. Let a copy of the report be taken.
He will decide it. He will consider this report if he wants to. He can call for fresh reports also. He will be independent. I will not bind him. But you will pay the deficit court fee.
Well, actually, the villagers of the all the their villagers, my lord, then my lord, since my lord are placing the matter to be with the district magistrate for consideration, the order can be passed again, my lord, only single petitioner also, my lord. In that occasion, my lord, it will be not.
The petitioners are aggrieved by non-installation of a deep tube well in the Mausa, whereat the petitioners reside. All the petitioners are in the same Mausa.
Same Mausa.
Whereat the petitioners reside deep tube well under, within inverted commas, Har Ghar Har Ghar Jal Jeevan Mission. Page 5, paragraph 3. Har Ghar Jal Jeevan Mission. Full stop. Paragraph. It is submitted by the petitioner that two deep tube wells have been installed by the respondents in the adjacent Mausa.
Adjacent Mausa.
Namely,
Bindol.
Which Mausa?
Bindol Mausa.
Bindol. Bindole. Namely, Bindol. Adjacent Mausa, namely Bindol. Full stop. Paragraph. The petitioners complain that despite a representation dated January 9, 2025 having been made to the respondents, the same has not yet been considered. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate appearing for the state respondents submits that the issue as regards installation of deep tube well, the issue as regards the feasibility of the place, where a deep tube well would be installed, is to be left to the expertise of the relevant authorities in terms of a judgment of the Honorable Division Bench of this court in the case of A. Chapiar Rahman versus State of West Bengal, WPA, at date of the full stop. Paragraph. He also hands up to court a copy of the instructions forwarded to him by the executive engineer, Raiganj Division, PHE, a P.H.E or circle D capital, that would TE choto.
527 of 2008, but later it was corrected by a coordinator order dated 16/10/20. PIL number is 527 of 2023.
2018 now 2023 लिखे देवें, later corrected as WPAP 527 of 2023 by order dated
October 2020.
You give that order also. Clear হয়ে যাবে, নাহলে ওই আমরা ভুলভাল একটাই লিখব না, এই দুটো অর্ডার থাকে। Paragraph. Heard learned advocates appearing for the respective parties. Full stop. Having regard to the nature of the grievance raised by the petitioner and the fact that the writ petitioner has already made a representation before the respondents on January 9, 2025, this court is of the view that no purpose would be served by keeping this writ petition pending and inviting affidavits. Full stop. Since the writ petitioner has already approached the respondents, which includes the district magistrate, district magistrate, Uttar Dinajpur, Raiganj. Therefore, it would be proper for the district magistrate, Uttar Dinajpur, Raiganj, to deal with the petitioner's contention at the first instance, full stop. Paragraph, the district magistrate, Uttar Dinajpur, Raiganj, shall therefore dispose of the petitioner's representation dated January 9, 2025 by passing a reasoned order, strictly in accordance with law, within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order, full stop. The district magistrate shall communicate the reasoned order to the writ petitioners within a week from the date of passing thereof, full stop. WPA,
upon giving an opportunity of
what hearings? District magistrate,
Do we
don't
have
turn it into a court. Let him consider it at the first instance thereafter, because unnecessarily don't. If he had passed an order without hearing you, he would have disposed of that. I would have had the benefit of consideration. Let him, every matter, don't turn it into a court. It's not proper. Let those authorities also have some latitude. WPA 2211 of 2025 stands disposed of on the above terms. Are instructions stuff kept on record? You get an order first. Let us see what they do.
Let a report be.
This report. Why? Unnecessarily. I have not said anything. A affidavit of service filed today. Yes. Your matter is done. You will get an order there. They'll consider it in accordance with law.
My lord, my senior is unable to appear due to his personal reason. I request your lordship that
Not
the matter
today.
may not
Not
be
today.
taken.
His senior is in some difficulty today. That is what he's saying. I'm making it not today. Tomorrow it will appear again.
Much obliged, your lordship.
For the Union of India, my lord.
In the auction sale. In the auction sale, I deposited money, but in spite of that, possession has yet not been handed over.
Who is appearing for the bank? Bank is important.
I served a notice to the bank. No, bank. Who is the applicant?
Bank was there on the last occasion.
Yes,
They
yes,
sought
yes.
for time.
Sought for time. I take it tomorrow.
Not today.
Get full alert. 41 or similar.
41 is good to appear for the bank, my lord. 41.
Yes, why are you not giving him possession of the
There is
property?
two things, my lord. One, I have to take instruction regarding the execution of the district magistrate order, my lord. Now, my lord, their plea is concerned, my lord. They want their money back. Now, my lord, I will
Alternative way.
No.
I will before lordship, my lord.
Don't argue. Will you give him the property or not? Because if you are unable to give the property, then you have to give the money back.
Order has been passed by the district magistrate. After that, what has happened, I have to take instruction regarding that. Tomorrow, I'll apply the lordship.
Please come.
Regarding the monetary part is concerned, I will lordship is well aware.
No
The
argument.
Sumati Patna judgment. I just want to indicate one thing. That after issuance of the sale certificate, Canal they have acquired the title. Now, if they want to cancel their title, this is not the right forum.
Those
I'll
arguments,
come back. on
those
that.
arguments won't work, sir. If you don't give possession of the
I'll
property,
come
it
back.
won't
Tomorrow
work.
I'll come back to the instruction.
You have to give the money if you don't give the property. Not today.
41 day asking.
40 also same bank.
Same. 41 I have not engaged, but only 41 I have engaged.
40 somebody appeared on the last occasion. 40, 41 both I think somebody.
Today morning I have been engaged.
To take instructions about 40 also, it is the same bank, same
Yeah,
person.
the copy may be served upon me so I can come
Please
back.
serve a copy on him. Serve a copy on him, it will expedite things.
Yes. Kindly keep it on the day after tomorrow, Friday.
Very well.
I'll come
It
back.
will appear day after tomorrow. Give him
Day
a
after
copy.
tomorrow. Get full alert.
এটা কালকে না দিয়ে পরশু দিয়ে দেবে। Please take instructions so that it can be
I'll
solved.
come back.
It can be solved.
I'll come to that.
If section 14 order is there, it will
Yes.
take 1 day. Passed over. Pass over, passing it over. I am passing it over. Let us see in the second call if they come.
Yes.
Or you want not today?
No, I am waiting.
Very well.
Because in the evening they come.
Yes, that is why I said passing it over.
44, my lord, I am appearing for the petition.
Passed over.
My lord, I'm praying for not today and not tomorrow. My senior is in a difficulty.
After vacation, my lord, then
My lord, day after tomorrow will be, my senior will be present, and the instruction is that day after tomorrow.
Very well.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Friday, not today, not tomorrow. Friday.
Grateful, my lord.
can you take it the day after tomorrow, then Friday, all the things matter.
This matter was heard, no? One day? No.
The other day, I have no instruction. My senior has been appointed.
Very well.
Just Friday. Friday, my lord.
Friday kore din.
Friday, my
Friday
lord.
date.
46. I'm appealing for the state respondent. The last occasion was also true. 46 then not today.
47 I activated for the commission.
46 I'm appealing for state respondent.
47 you want not today? 46 you want not today?
I'm for the state respondent.
Passover or not today? 46 Passover.
47 I activated for the respondent.
46 টা Passover করলেন? Not today করবেন. Yes.
But last 3-4 occasions petitioner did not appear. 47. I appear on behalf of the private respondent number
3-4 occasions. Shouldn't happen. You were there. You were also not.
Yes.
Shouldn't be 3-4 occasions. It will appear for dismissal.
No. Passed over on this.
Very well. Listen in fact order. None appears for the petitioner. Full stop. The respondents are represented. All the respondents are there.
Man, I am appearing for the respondent number 4. I appear on behalf of the respondent number 5. Headmaster. My order is under challenge, my lord. I am the effective.
The respondent number you are 4. The respondent numbers 4 and 5 are represented. Full stop. List this matter under the heading for dismissal tomorrow. In order to give the writ petitioner one more opportunity to present its case, present his case. In order to put the petitioner on notice. In order to put the writ petitioner on notice and to give the writ petitioner one more. Yeah?
Well, 48, well, I am for the petitioner.
I appear for the union.
Well, this is the affidavit of service. Well, there are in all 11 respondents. Well, except 3, 6, and 7 of service upon the other respondents have been affected. So, I am praying time after vacation so that according to the postal address, there is no such addresses in the address. Probably the in wrong address, those have been served.
And
So,
what is the matter, sir?
Matters relating to the pension of the family pension of the freedom fighter wife. Freedom fighter wife.
Between the two wives. Both are
Yes. And there were the two.
You are not getting pension.
I am not getting pension. Even in spite of the order of the civil court, I am not getting pension. There are
Wife of a freedom fighter.
Freedom wife of the freedom fighter.
Wives are clean. Presence of respondent number 11 is very much necessary. The other wife, she has been made party, she has been made party.
My lord, I am telling you, lordships, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, the Sardar Natha Singh, my lord, he was a freedom fighter. And so far, the respondent number 11 is concerned, my lord. She was the first wife of the Natha Singh. My lord, thereafter, my lord, the Natha Singh died in the year 1984. And so far, the first wife, my lord, Natha, my lord, the wife of Natha Singh, Prakash Kaur, my lord, there, my lord, the marriage was dissolved on, my lord, 1912-1956 by a registered deed. Registered deed. Thereafter, my lord, the marriage between the, my lord, the Natha Singh, the freedom fighter, and this petitioner took place in the year 1976. And Natha Singh died, my lord, in the year 1984.
How marriage could be dissolved by a registered deed?
Deed. My lord, although, my lord, I am coming to that, my lord. I am coming to that, my lord. I am coming. After all, my lord, my lord, for a declaration, my lord, I filed the in my lord, the file suit before the appropriate court, civil court. Civil court, my lord, decided the matter, and civil court came to the findings that this is the, my lord, according to the customs of the, my lord, the Sardar community, it is acceptable in the eye of the law. And civil court also declared, my lord, the petitioner is entitled to get all the pension benefit, my lord, freedom fighter pension.
There is an order of civil court.
Yes, there is the order of the civil court. But last
Degree
annexure,
passed.
for lots of brief, my lord, last annexure. My lord, annexure. My lord, the page 101 to 115. Annexure fee 26. 101 to 116.
This decree was never challenged.
Well, not challenged. Well, I filed the, my lord, the suit before the court for the declaration that it is acceptable in the eye of the law. The, my lord, the registered deed of, my lord, the divorce between the, my lord, respondent number 11 and the, my lord, the freedom fighter.
This decree was never challenged by any.
This decree was never challenged by the respondent number 11.
Union of India was also a party to this.
Yes, yes. Respondent number
Prakash Kaur is also was also a party.
Yes.
Related content. These types of matter, it should be first applied to the state authority. State, after considering, they will refer the matter before the, my lord, if they satisfied the Central Freedom Fighter Department, then it is to be considered. My lord, yes, stateway made an application before this.
No, my lord, that part is complete. That part is complete, my lord. I am telling you, lordship, my lord. The last, my lord, the correspondence by the respondent number 3. My lord, can you see by the respondent number 3, my lord? The respondent number 3, my lord, last communicated that this deed of divorce is not acceptable in the eye of the law. My lord, this is the annexure.
Respondent number 3 means who is that?
My lord, respondent number 3, Assistant Secretary, my lord, the government of West Bengal.
Who is appearing for the government of West Bengal? Who is appearing for the government of West Bengal?
There's nothing. My lord, I have served, my lord, so far the service upon the respondent number 3, my lord, that has not been effected, my lord, due to the wrong address, probably.
3. So 3 is important.
3, 6, and 7.
3 is important because
3 is important. Of course, 3 is important. But last correspondence, my lord, by the 3.
And that is why 3 is important.
Yes.
Because the correspondence of
yes,
3
my lord,
only is
state is required, my lord.
Then how soon can you serve?
My lord, so far the, my lord, correspondence by the respondent number 3, there is the address of the Popular Chandra Sarkar Road, probably, my lord. My lord, the page, I am telling you, lordship, my lord.
No, but here Sarat Chatterjee Road is.
Yes.
That is not the correct.
That is not the correct address. Nabarna is not the correct address because, my lord, this had been tied, my lord, according to, my lord, the instruction of the client, my lord. But so far,
then you have to don't you have to amend the cost? Yes. For changing.
Yes, my lord,
you have to amend
page,
the
my lord,
cost
25.
No, but then you'll have to amend the cost title. The address has to be amended.
Yes, address has to be amended, my lord. My lord, let me start fast, my lord, because, my lord, this is the correspondence.
But how will you serve without first amending the cost title? How can you serve?
Well, this is the, my lord, the correspondence by the, my lord, the respondent number 3.
So you seek leave to amend the cost title and you amend.
Then, my lord, I am amending the cost title, my lord. Kindly give me.
I'm granting you leave. You amend the cost title, and then you serve. And when should I keep it then? It will be after vacation.
After vacation. Good.
Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submit. Please listen to the order then. Learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that the address of the respondent number 3 as 6 also wrong address.
6 also, my lord, that's same, my lord, wrong address, my lord.
That the addresses of the respondent numbers 3, 6, and 7, as mentioned in the cause title of the writ petition, are incorrect. Full stop. Leave is sought for to correct the addresses of the respondent number 3, 6, and 7 in the cause title of the writ petition. Full stop. As prayed for, such leave is granted. Full stop. Let the cause title, let the addresses of the respondent numbers 3, 6, and 7 be corrected by the learned advocate on record for the writ petitioner in course of this week.
But no, my lord, I'm hearing now, my lord,
I'm making it in course of this week. Full stop. Paragraph. Since service on the respondent number 3, 6, and 7 could not be completed in view of the their addresses, in view of the fact that their addresses were incorrect, comma, the writ petitioner shall, upon amending the cause title by incorporating the correct addresses of the respondent numbers 3, 6, and 7, comma, serve copies of the writ petition upon the said respondents, intimating them that the matter shall be taken up next immediately after reopening of the court after the ensuing puja vacations.
Good.
The petitioner shall file affidavit of service on the returnable date.
But today, my lord, the affidavit of service be taken on record.
Affidavit of service filed today be kept on record. The respondent numbers. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 6. 1, 2, and 4. Respondent number 6. Respondent number 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, and 8 are represented. Full stop. আচ্ছা ওখানে আরেকটা জায়গায় লিখে দিন, the writ petitioner shall also serve a notice on the other non-appearing respondents.
Only the intimating the date of the hearing after vacation.
Yes, yes. That is why I said notice. In that case, I said writ petition. Two are different.
All right. Get
3, 6, and 7 you will serve writ petition. Others you will serve notice.
Notice.
Because writ petition has been served on.
Yes. Yes.
49, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. The petition is...
Item number 49, I am taking a preliminary point regarding the maintainability. Kindly see once the prayer.
Lordship, my submission is this. The petitioner before your Lordship is an advocate of this court, and he himself will move the application. He is sick, Lordship. He is aged about 90 years. Your Lordship, kindly keep it after puja vacation.
Kindly see once the prayer of the writ petition.
Yes. My humble submission before your Lordship.
Whether under Article 226
after puja.
Under Article 226, whether your Lordship will entertain this type of petition.
Yes, yes. Yes. This is correct.
For the respondent number 2, my lord, kindly see once under the prayer. Because he has the other remedy available under the statute, my lord, under the law, my lord. But in 226,
how is the writ petition maintained?
Correct, Lordship. My learned friend who is appearing on, who is Lordship petitioner, he will make submission, Lordship. That's why. That is the also difficulties for me. My learned friend has rightly pointed out.
But if you Lordship adjourn the matter,
I am granting
kindly record my submission at least.
I'll record
yes, on jurisdiction, particular Lordship.
লিখে নিন দাদা, বসেও লিখতে পারেন। Mr. Naam record. Mr. Such and Such appearing for the writ petitioner submits that this writ petition seeks time for moving the writ petition after the ensuing puja vacations. Full stop. Mr. Mukherjee.
For the district judge Asansol.
Mr. Mukherjee, learned advocate appearing for the
respondent
number 2 submits that the writ petition is not maintainable. Full stop. Paragraph. ওই ওনার নামটা লিখবেন। Mr. Such and Such, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that he would come prepared to meet the point of maintainability after reopening of the court. Full stop. As prayed for, list this writ petition immediately after reopening of this court after the ensuing puja vacations.
I'm grateful.
Grateful, Lordship.
50, my lord. Advocate is, my lord, on leg, my lord. Kindly pass over the matter.
Pass over.
Pass over for the day, my lord.
Not today.
Not today, my lord. Deep level. যেতে হবে
চলুন not today.
52. My lord, I am in this matter for respondent number 5 and 6. Several times 5 times petitioner did not appear.
কি বলে দা ওইটাই থাকবে ওই for dismissal. Sorry. You are for respondent number
5 and 6.
5 and 6 is represented. যেখানে রেসপন্ডেন্ট থাকবে পেটিশনার থাকবে না সেখানে একটা ফর ডিসমিসালে তুলতে হবে আমাদের ঠিক আছে চলুন
My lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. On the earlier occasion, your lordship has directed to submit one acknowledgement receipt as the payment has already been made. So, my lordship, on the earlier occasion, I have submitted that the matter already become infructuous. But as per the direction of the client, my lordship, the payment was made by the mode of cash, and one signature has been made by the petitioner in the office of the
a letter that you want to
my
withdraw.
lordship. We have no acknowledgement received actually. It is lying before the office of the respondent number 3, my lordship.
So you want to move the writ petition or what?
No, my lordship, kindly dispose of it.
So that is why you bring a letter that you want to withdraw the writ petition.
Grateful, my lordship. Then I will fix one date, my
Bring
lordship.
it when? Tomorrow?
The day after tomorrow, my lordship.
Day after tomorrow.
Grateful, your lordship.
Should I keep it to be mentioned?
Yes, my lordship. To be mentioned, my lordship.
लिखे नहीं तो ऑर्डर रिकॉर्ड देखिए learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that the grievances of the writ petitioner may have been redressed in the meantime. Full stop. He seeks time to take written instructions from his client. You are the advocate on record?
Yes, my lordship.
What is your name?
Subornobak.
No, name is something else. কোনটা দিয়েছেন এটা? শুভেন্দু ব্যানার্জি?
Yes, my Subornobak. Here is the petition.
অন্য ম্যাটার প্লিজ।
It is in the list, item number 54. Oh, it is 51. Sorry for the inconvenience, my lordship.
My lord, I beg to appear for the spirit, my lord.
55, I am present on behalf of the petitioner.
55, my lord, I am for the respondent number 7, my lord.
My lord,
Respondent number 7, my lord.
Ghosh, my lord will recall she was appearing in this matter, my lord. Because of some unforeseen circumstances, she is not in court today. Can there be a not today, my lord? Just for today, my lord, it can be taken up tomorrow at any time as per your lordship's convenience.
Not today.
Grateful to your lordship.
My lord, I beg to appear for the state, 56.
56.
I am appealing for respondent number 3. Your lordship, on last 2-3 occasions.
ওই same order করে দিন 47. It will appear as for dismissal tomorrow.
Yes. Grateful to my lord.
বলে দেয় এইগুলো আগে একটু দিয়ে দেবে না যেগুলো ফর ডিসমিসালে কালকে আসবে তাহলে সই করে দিবে ঠিক আছে তাহলে কাল সকালে কিন্তু সার্ভারটা তো হবে না সার্ভারটা তো হবে সকালে সার্ভার হয়ে যাবে ঠিক আছে লিস্টে ফর ডিসমিসাল চলে আসুন Didi.
My lord, learned advocate Mr. Sandeep Das is a conducting advocate of the petitioner. He has not come today. As per the request of his clerk, I am
today.
praying for not today, my lord.
Not today.
Much obliged.
চলুন দিদি কল করি
58, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Mr.
On the
Shah.
last occasion, pursuant to the leave granted by your lordship, I am filing a supplementary affidavit which is very much relevant for disposal of this case, my lord.
It is not there. Please wait. Second call.
My
Please
lord.
wait. Second call. Great. চলুন
My lord.
Not today. Opposite person. Let us see. Let us see. Not today.
Lord, I appeal for the petitioner in this matter.
চলুন
My lordship, Mr. Galibi is for the state. I am praying for not today, my lordship.
What is the matter?
The Pradhan Malot cut the trees without permission of the divisional forest officer. Malot kindly see the order dated 25th August 2025. And I am.
Pradhan, you have served?
Yes, my lord. I have already served.
Very well. Not today.
Grateful, lordship.
Sorry, 62.
62 হয়ে গেল তো
হ্যাঁ
একই জিনিস বারবার
না আবার 62 যাচ্ছে
I appear on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, I am appealing for the state respondent led by Mr. Shantanu Kumar Mitra. Affidavit service.
Yes.
Petitioner representation filed before the authority.
What is the matter, sir?
Petitioner is originally Maoist squad member. Maoist squad member and arrested. He was arrested 2009.
The petitioner was arrested.
Arrested. He was arrested 20 September 2009 during the period of Maoist rehabilitation. Petitioner was involved in the accusation of having committed the offence under section 147, 148, 149, 148, 353, 186, 307 and the Indian Penal Code and section 3 and of the.
You want special job?
Special job, my lord. Amnesty scheme. Government took a decision.
Scheme.
Lordship, I have a report from police station, Lordship. I'm placing it. I benefit under the scheme, my lord.
Paragraph 4.
Lordship, kindly come to the last page of my report, Lordship.
Last? Yes.
Lordship, may I read it for your Lordship?
Ingredient of Maoist incident was not there.
Lordship. Lordship. Another report from Kotwali police station, Lordship. Paschim Mednipur.
You dispose this off and tell him by the while disposing of the representation. Or should I record this? Then in any case it goes. Can you file this in the form of a report by day after tomorrow? Then in that case, I can dispose of the writ petition recording
After
this.
tomorrow, Lordship, kindly keep this matter next week, Lordship. I will find it.
Next week
tomorrow-
will be difficult. I don't know.
Kindly tomorrow.
Tomorrow, it is not possible for.
Day after tomorrow, Thursday,
Lordship.
Friday.
Very well,
Bring
Lordship.
this on record. I will dispose of the writ petition because nothing remains in the writ petition then.
Guideline for surrender cum rehabilitation of Maoist. Naxalist in the Naxal affected states.
The
Well,
No, but their contention is that the FIR did not mention any incident of any Maoist incidents.
Lordship, kindly see the FIR and charge sheet. Final charge sheet. Charge sheet, my lord, 44/2010, dated 31st.
Where is the FIR?
FIR. First information report. Page 16, Annexer P1.
Page 16.
Annexer P1.
Yes.
Kindly page 18, paragraph, column, page 2, serial number 4. Aloka Manna, wife of Kajol of Chandabila. FIR contains in reported UD case. Kindly see page 3. Page 3.
Page 3.
During charges accused 1, 2, 3, and 4. Aloka Manna, wife of Kajol of Chandabila, and there show a case under section 147, 148, 149, 448, 383, 186, 307 IPC, read with section 25 and 27 Arms Act, and 9 MPO Act, and 23 PDPPC Act may be started against all the arrested person, and unknown witness SIPK Basu is directed to take up the investigation. Page 19. Finally, thereafter, charge sheet, page 20. Annexer
But
P2.
this is not a Maoist case. It doesn't appear to be Maoist.
Maoist, my lord. Arrested. Kindly
You
see.
may have been arrested. You had get out the police station and you had committed this offense, but it was not not registered as a Maoist.
Janasadhan, my lord, kindly see page 22.
Page 22.
Page 22. Page 3. Charge sheet. During investigation of the case, myself draw up a rough sketch map of the PO and made index, examine injury, police person and able witness and mark their statement under section 161 CRPC, seize the weapons under proper seizure list duly signed by the witness. During investigation of the case, it reveals that some members of Maoist were arrested by joint force of Chandra. The arrested person brought to camp. On the other hand, some squad member of Maoist.
The charge sheet shows something.
Lordship, in that case, we'll dispose the representation, Lordship.
Representation you consider and dispose of. That is better. Who will do it? This SP?
SP, Lordship.
SP will do it.
SP Paschim Medinipur.
SP Paschim Medinipur. Likhun. The petitioner complains that benefits of the amnesty scheme, AMNEST, amnesty scheme for Maoist rehabilitation in West Bengal have not been made available to the writ petitioner, despite the petitioner having been arrested on in a case involving allegation
arrested on 21st September 2009 and released on bail 15th October 2009.
despite ki likhlen allegations of Maoist attacks. full stop, paragraph. The learned advocate appearing for the petitioner invites the attention of this court to a representation made by the petitioner to the inter alia to the respondent number 7, i.e. the superintendent of police, Paschim Medinipur, wherein the writ petitioner has claimed herself to be
Lordship,
member.
may I indicate one thing, Lordship? Kindly come to page number 26, Lordship. I think the representation has been disposed, Lordship.
What is the date of this representation?
It is in 2025, Lordship. And
File, my lord, 5th day of February 2025.
Yes, it has been disposed of. Page 26, he is right. See,
My online status, my lord, disposal, but not petitioner not physically notice has been served by the authority. Online disposal, not opportunity being heard.
No, then let them file their affidavit. File your affidavits.
Lordship.
Government took a decision. Policy
ना
decision.
कितने दिन नीचे लिखो that की लिख ले to the superintendent of police ना inter alia ना to the respondents ना to the respondents करे दिने inter alia तो केटे दिए to the respondents requesting the respondents to extend the benefits of the amnesty scheme for Maoist rehabilitation to the petitioner and to provide her with employment. Full stop. Learned advocate appearing for the full stop. It is submitted that the said representation has been left pending by the respondents and no action has been taken in respect thereof. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate appearing for the respondents submits that in the FIR that had been filed in respect of the offence alleged to have been committed by the petitioner, there was no ingredient of a Maoist incident, full stop. Drawing the attention of this court to page 20, to the document at page 26 of the writ petition, it is submitted that the writ petitioner's representation has already been disposed of by the relevant authority, holding that the petitioner's case is one that is not entitled to the benefits of the amnesty scheme. Full stop. Paragraph. Having heard the learned counsel appearing for the respective parties and having considered the material on record, this court is of the view that the respondent number 7 should file a report in the form of an affidavit dealing with the contention of the writ petition, the contention of the writ petitioner in the writ petition, within a period of 1 week from the date of reopening of the court after the ensuing puja vacations. Full stop. List is a copy thereof shall be a prior copy thereof shall be served upon the learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. List this matter for further consideration. 1 week afterwards, on 31 December 31, 8 of you keep this because you will file a report. So I'm not taking this an affidavit of service
এটা আপনার
You file it by way of an affidavit. Whatever you file, whatever you have to say, you say.
lordship.
That will make things easier.
Yes, my lord. My
Grateful lordship.
any post, my lord, job engagement.
Let us see what they come with. It will for dismissal. It will appear tomorrow. No, tomorrow it will appear as for dismissal. You are not there tomorrow. You are not there tomorrow. এটা না কালকে কালকে আছে বেঞ্চ
Mr. Galivis for the state. I'm thinking.
And I have for the petitioner, my lord. One of my deputy says, my lord, in this matter.
The other side is there.
Yes, my lord. She is appealing for the state. My lord, in this matter, my lord, I find, my lord, there has been some misarrangement of annexures. And it's not tallying with the pleadings. So may I be given the leave to
Correct it.
Correct it, my lord. Accordingly, the presentation of
What will you do? You will change the
because
annexure.
the P1, the annexure P1, it has become P3, and the P3 has to be into P1. Just this arrangement is not.
Whatever is there is there. You show me. It's not a problem.
Not a problem.
You take me to the page.
My lord, actually, the petitioners, my lord, are the residents of Narayanpur.
What is your grievance?
Grievance is, my lord, the canal is running through the. It is since along the canal, drainage canal is running through the plots of the all the petitions. There are several petitions and others also. This canal actually is used to used in the procedure of in the process of animal husbandry and drainage system. This canal has now become clogged with various elements. So now I have made representation before the distinguished concern and all the other authorities. This representation has to be considered. Only my prayer is this. It has to be considered because this clock.
Where is the representation?
It is annexure P1 here, but as per the pleadings, it is annexure P3. Page number 15, my lord.
This representation is dated 20th of October
20th of October.
20th of August 2024.
August 2024.
And who is the authority who will consider it?
My lord, in my opinion, my lord, the DM of the concerned district will be the best authority to consider this type of representation. Because the later direction be given upon the DM to consider this representation upon giving hearing to the parties concerned.
Hearing in every matter, please don't press for hearing and all. Let them consider, let them pass an order.
Yes, madam. Pass a speaking order to that effect. That will be. I have annexed photographs also.
The canal is what? Where is it situated?
My lord is looking at the Moja map. My lord comes to see the Moja map.
It runs through your village.
Yes, my lord. Yes, it runs through a village. Narayanpur Gram Panchayat actually. It's under the Narayanpur Gram Panchayat.
Does this canal has any name? No.
No, not specifically name. It meets with the river. Meets with the
Giyabati River.
Giyabati River. So during the monsoon, when the canal gets full, it helps in the drainage system and all the animal husbandry because these are villages.
And this canal is clogged.
This canal has become clogged. And that is not only creating problems, but also is a den for mosquitoes and all kind of diseases.
So you want it to be clean?
It want it to be clean. That is the main.
Listen, the petitioners are all residents of Narayanpur village under district South 24 Parganas. Full stop. They complain that a canal under Narayanpur Gram Panchayat, which runs through the said village and connects the village and is used for draining draining water from the village, draining water out of the village into Ghiyabati River remains clogged for a substantial period of time. Full stop. It is submitted that despite repeated representations before the respondents, no step has been taken by the respondent to clean the said canal, by reason whereof the canal has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes, and during the rainy season, the canal gets filled up, and as such, the water therefrom finds ways into the village, thereby damaging thereby posing threat to health. Full stop. Paragraph. The state respondents are represented. Full stop. Since the issue raised by the petitioner needs to be addressed by the respondent state authorities, and the petitioner has already approached the respondents, including the respondent number 2, i.e. the district magistrate, South 24 Parganas. Therefore, it would be proper for the district magistrate, for the said district magistrate, to consider the writ petitioner's grievances and take appropriate steps. Full stop. Paragraph. WPA 3137 of 2025 is disposed of by directing the district magistrate, South 24 Parganas, to consider the petitioner's representation dated August 20, 2024, annexed at page 15 of the writ petition, within brackets annexure P1.
No, it will be actually, as per the pleadings, it will be annexure P3, as per the pleadings.
Annexed as annexure P3, page ta tale kete din. Annexed as annexure P3 to the writ petition, full stop. By annexure ta kete din, which has been annexed to the writ petition correction. Page number 2 kete, which has been annexed to the writ petition, full stop. Paragraph. The district magistrate shall consider the said representation and pass a reasoned order, strictly in accordance with law, within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Full stop. In case the said district magistrate finds that the grievances of the writ petitioners are well founded, then in that case, then the district magistrate shall take appropriate steps to ensure that the canal is appropriately restored and clean.
Grateful.
Full stop. The district magistrate shall also take appropriate steps to ensure that there is no illegal encroachment over the canal and the canal is not clogged. Full stop. Paragraph. WPA to hui geche. Thus, there shall be no order as to costs or a affidavit of service filed to the
For the petitioner. Lordship,
Not
may I
today.
take one detail, Lordship? Instead of making it not today, Lordship, kindly direct them to file a report. Otherwise, this matter cannot be heard out, Lordship, as because I have some grievances against the respondent authority with not for non-consideration of my representation in respect of the Shastro Shati card, Lordship. So if your Lordship kindly direct them to file a report, it will be helpful.
What is a grievance?
Lordship, for non-consideration of representation by the respondent authority on the ground that Lordship, the alleged hospital refused to accept the Shastro Shati card. Initially, they acknowledged that they will accept, but subsequently they refused to accept. And I made representation alleging that intention, Lordship, but that was not considered till date by the government authority.
Respondent, the respondent numbers 10, 11, and 12 have been served.
Lordship, if your Lordship directed me, then I will serve and
serve
once
again and come, because
Lordship, kindly pass a direction.
Likheni. The writ petitioner shall serve. You are appearing for whom? So 10 is
Lordship,
appearing.
Lordship.
10 is already appearing then. The others are not there.
Lordship, the state respondent are not there, Lordship.
Your grievance is against him only.
No.
That is
against the state authority
prayer
for no.
shows, your prayer shows that your grievance is against 10 to 12.
Lordship, but the steps has to be taken by the state authority against that respondent, Lordship.
Well, I am making it not today then. Try to bring them tomorrow.
State authority.
It will again appear tomorrow. You have not served them. It has been appearing for some time now.
Lordship. No, Lordship, the service was made in the month of February, Lordship. That's why.
So you want a direction for
Lordship.
service. The petitioner shall serve a notice on the non-appearing respondents, intimating them that the matter shall be taken up next on. Matter shall be taken up next on when?
Next week.
Next week means I don't know. Friday will be the date available. Friday is the last day.
Lordship. 19th.
19th he'll be able to serve.
Lordship, I will serve the in the government leader office of the government leader.
19th. Trial.
Or otherwise, I have to office of the government
19th.
leader who is appearing. Lordship.
Sure. Next.
71, I am appearing online, my lord. On the last Lordship opined that this matter should go before the.
My lord, I'm for the petitioner, my lord. My lord,
My lord, your Lordship, on the last occasion, am I audible to your Lordship?
I remember there is a prayer for time.
Seeking for a day's adjournment since the
not today,
not today. State item number 71, my lord.
My lord, item 71, on the last occasion, your Lordship wanted to see the writ petition similar.
I remember it, Mr. Chakraborty. Your other side is not there. Somebody is seeking an accommodation for a day.
My lord, may I give the copy of the writ petition and the last order similar on record?
Not required. Tomorrow, not today.
My lord, can you keep it with the record, my lord? We will have an effective hearing.
Let everybody come.
My lord, we will have an effective hearing, my lord.
Let us see tomorrow. The other side is not there. Unnecessarily, no use. The petitioner is praying for time.
Side was here.
Just now said.
My lord,
seeking time.
Yes, my lord.
Not for time. He said he wanted not to.
My lord, I am told by
my lord.
Is being heard by the Ponzi bench. Yes, is that submission was made. Mr. Chakraborty wanted to make submission on that only. I said that we'll release it, but he said no, he'll be losing a forum.
He'll address your lordship tomorrow.
When I asked for the copy of the writ petition and the order last, my junior is carrying over there.
Yes, yes, I'll take it all tomorrow only because unnecessarily piecemeal, what will I do
Very
with
well,
it?
very
I'll
well.
not read it.
Very well, Milad, very well, very well. Deeply obliged.
I'm great.
Chalo.
Lord, I am for the petitioner and I am praying for not today.
Chalo, chalo.
74, 72. Huh? Not today.
Lordship, in this matter, I am appealing for the petitioner. On last occasion, the matter was taken up on 2nd of this month. Lordship, kindly have a look to said order. My respondent is learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kolkata. Matter with regards to the reconstruction of the record, Lordship can recollect. And I already submitted one order of the coordinating bench passed by Honorable Justice Subhashati Bhattacharya the last year. That matter, my lord. And as your lordship was pleased to direct us, we are filing this closed envelope along with the additional Chief Judicial Magistrate's reply letter in this event.
From where do I get that the records have been destroyed or records are not available?
Well, it is not in my knowledge. Whenever I went before the court along with a petition or I make representations with regards to the last order, practically the petitioner is desiring to prefer an appeal against the order of the acquittal. Now, the record is not found. Whenever the copy application is made for obtaining the certified copy, departments are silent. So, unless and until the records is being reconstructed, already my right is going to be extinguished.
There should be something, your allegation, how will I believe that it is true that records are not there? How do I believe this?
My lord, only one respectful submission from my end. Learned additional Chief Judicial Magistrate is the finally custodian of the record, said record. Now, my lord, the question is that record is there or not. If it is not in my knowledge, if record is
not
there,
a question of your knowledge. The record is not there. I should have something also. It is not in my knowledge also.
exactly.
Is it in my knowledge?
Exactly.
Then merely because you come and say I will believe you, something has to be there. You bring some information, something of that sort. You have come up with a prayer in the writ petition merely because you have come up, you have got an order. Therefore, I will also pass an order because the writ is say having that prayer is not something which is very healthy. I have to need something on record at least to believe that what you are saying is correct. How do I believe?
In that event, lordship can pass direction, interim direction, matter keeping pending. I will come back further.
Interim direction doing what? It is your writ petition. You should have.
My
What is the recourse available to you? If the records are not available,
directing the petitioner for further approaching before the learned additional Chief Judicial Magistrate for the obtaining the certified copy or to be traced out Thereafter,
Where
can
do I
conclude.
get that you have applied for certified copy and you have not got it? Where do I get that?
Lordship, my kindly have a look. My last representation. It is at page 24 in my writ petition.
Page 24 is a representation.
Right.
Where is it that you have applied for certified copy?
The application made, Lordship, kindly turn into page 23.
Page 23.
As per CIS case is disposed of, accused is acquitted. It is my last information.
Yes.
That is on dated 21st of March 2024. Case record is not available. There it is written. It is from their record. There's an information slip.
Yes, I have seen it.
Lordship.
Very well. Today we have no time. Tomorrow we shall take it up. लिखूं तो affidavit of service filed today be kept with the records. Full stop. List this matter once again. Calcutta date here. We'll hear it tomorrow.
But can it be upgraded to some extent if Lordship's diary partner?
Let us see. It will be called on tomorrow also, as it is called. We won't miss.
My lord, I beg to differ the petitioner. This matter has already been disposed of by Honorable Justice Joy Sen Gupta. I'm carrying a copy of the order.
কি করে আসছে এগুলো? নাম ভুল আছে দেখুন 77 দেখুন লিস্ট থেকে মেলান কি দেওয়ার কথা ছিল কি দিয়েছেন কি দেখুন এটা কি লেখা আছে আমরা ভুল লিস্টে দিয়েছেন ভুল মামলা দিয়েছেন যার নাম্বার দিয়েছেন সেটা আগে ডিসপোজড অফ হয়ে গেছে আগেও এরকম হয়েছে they will delist it.
My lord, grateful.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner in this matter, being aggrieved by the inaction of the respondent in not providing the water connection, despite my lord having
I
received
am
the money.
appearing on behalf of the respondent number 45. My lord, kindly fix day after tomorrow. Because my lord, another matter, my lord, this complaint, my lord, is pending, my lord. I check whether, my lord, what is the prayer of this. I don't
Day
know,
after
my lord,
tomorrow.
day
No.
after.
As your lordship pleases, my lord.
19th.
My lord, affidavit of service be kept on record, my lord.
On that day. আরো আছে কল করে দিন যদি কেউ থাকে করে দেব
I beg to appear on behalf of the Union of Indian Smart About.
petitioner is not there not now it's 4:32 only both sides are there otherwise no
Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner.
both sides are
My
there
lord, I
only
beg to appear for the private respondent. My lord.
what is the
80.
matter 80
80. Your Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner. Your Lordship, we have filed this writ petition. The complaint was lodged on 18th First 2025, and then the officer in charge didn't take any action. And then again, we have sent a mail and a letter to the commissioner on 25th 1 2025. The petitioner is a senior citizen, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship may kindly direct the state to file a report pursuant to the complaint.
My lord,
No action was taken by the commissioner
in the
or the officer in
complaints,
charge.
my lord, may I say this, my lord? My lord, in the complaint, page number 74 of the writ petition, my lord, I have specific instructions that there an allegation has been made that my client, the private respondent, has unlawfully restricted the client's access to essential services, including water supply, electricity, and other amenities, my lord. She specifically alleged that on 25th of January, my lord, the 25th of January, yeah, she specifically alleges that on 25th of January, my client locked her out of her home. I have specific instructions, my lord. The petition, my client, the private respondent, was not present on that particular day. So, my lord, I don't stand in the way if your lordship kindly calls for a report from the police, my lord. My lord, because on that very day, the police was also present, and on their instruction, the private respondent's wife locked the door because the petitioner brought in some local miscreants from there to create a ruckus in front of the house, my lord.
Your Lordship, they have been doing like this with the petitioner for a very long time. They're also encroaching the common space.
My lord, if you're exactly that's my point, my lord.
Who is appearing for the state?
Your Lordship, as per the last direction, we have already
No, today,
intimated.
because state is not there. I'm making it not today, come tomorrow.
Grateful.